Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cooking from a Can. Today we're making something that I came up with, made it a few times or a couple times now, so I think I have it perfected. I thought I'd share it with you. Two things I really like are hamburgers and Thai curry, so I thought why not combine them both and make a burger. So I'll have the ingredient list below for this recipe, and this is for about 4 or 5 burgers depending on how big you make the burgers, so it's perfect for a family 4 or family 5. If you need to make more, obviously double or triple everything in the ingredient list below. So let's get started. So we're going to start with 1 pound of 80-20 mixed ground beef. You want to have something that's similar to this, having 80% of the meat and then 20% fat. It's going to give you a little more flavor and more juice. Next, we're going to add in about 5 cloves of garlic. Just going to mince those up in the electric slap chop right now. Again, you can adjust how much garlic you want to use. We like more garlic, so if you like less, then do less or don't do any at all. You could also use a garlic salt instead if you don't want to do fresh garlic or you don't have it in the fridge or the pantry at all, so you can substitute that. Half a teaspoon of onion salt. I'm just putting a few chili flakes in, probably about half a teaspoon. I would put more in, but the boys are having this as well, and with the curry it's going to be spicy. So a little bit of chili flake, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. And again, if you don't want to use fish sauce or you don't have it, you can substitute with soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of sugar. Yes, we're putting sugar in burgers. It's basically like the Thai curry, but we're going to do a burger form of it. And then 2 tablespoons of a red Thai curry paste. I also do a little bit of Worcestershire. Can you guys say that? I don't really measure. I just put in how much I think it should have. So maybe about half a tablespoon. And then some Panko breadcrumbs just to help hold it together. If you're not using a barbecue, you could get away with not putting any breadcrumbs in. And then the zest of 1 lime. All right, so that's it for the ingredients. Now we're just gonna mix that all up and form our patties. You smell it?
Yes.
So aromatic with the curry paste and then the lime. Just want to make sure it's all blended well. You want to get a chunk of curry paste in one burger, especially if it's for the kid. Alright, so I'm just going to do, I don't even know what the weight is, but just a ball like that. Flatten it out. And one trick is too, when you're making your burgers, push down in the middle, because when it cooks, it wants to shrink up and swell up. Well, this will actually prevent that a bit. All right, so now that the patties are made, we're gonna go outside and we're gonna grill them up. All right, so now that I got the barbecue all warmed up, I'm gonna put the burgers on. So I put the temperature down to about medium heat. You don't want them cooked too fast and burn. Alright, so once they're on, you're just going to want to put a little bit of cracked pepper and some salt. We're using a pink Himalayan salt. Alright, so we're just going to close the lid, let them cook a little bit, and then come back, we'll turn them. And yeah, you can cook them to whatever doneness you want if you're using a very fresh cut meat or ground meat. This one wasn't very fresh because the stuff in town is actually really lean. So we're gonna cook it the Canadian way, which is well done. And yeah, we'll just let it cook down now and we'll come back out. All right, so now that it's cooked down a little bit, we're just gonna give them a little turn. See, they're staying nice and juicy. All right, so we're gonna let that cook down a little bit more, then we're gonna flip them and do the same thing. All right, so let's flip them over. Crazy, all the red oil that comes out of the curry paste. All right, so same thing, we're gonna let those cook a little bit. We're gonna turn them and then we're gonna put some cheese on them. All right, so last little turn, and then we're gonna put some cheese on. We're using cheese slices because in Thailand they don't really have proper like American cheese. They use like fake cheese, and right now we can't get proper cheese, so we're gonna use these as well. Of course, you can use any cheese you want, cheddar or mozzarella, whatever you want to do. But yeah, let's get the cheese on. Melt away. All right, so now that the cheese is melted, let's take them inside and assemble your burger. All right, so I got the burgers all grilled up. I just have them in the oven staying warm. For buns, I did do up some brioche buns today. It's a new recipe, I haven't perfected it yet, so I won't show you how to make it. I'm gonna do another burger and fry video, so hopefully I'll have it perfected by then to show you how to make a brioche bun, which is a really good bun to hold up to the juices of the burger. So what we're gonna do now is we're just gonna get these on the grill with some butter and just crisp up that inside. And for this burger, you can use your typical toppings, except for pickles. I don't think they do very well with the curry, but just red onion, lettuce, tomato. And as for condiments, you can use the normal ones too. You can do ketchup, mustard, mayo, sandwich spread, I guess, if you want to do a little bit sweeter, but we're just going to use some mustard and ketchup today. Okay, so now that those are crisped up, we're going to take those off and we're going to assemble the burger. Lettuce, tomato, and onion, and of course the burger. All right, so there you have it, a Thai curry burger. It's original that I've come up with. Hope you try it and hope you enjoy it. We are gonna do another burger video. Again, once I learn how to make the brioche buns a little bit better, as well as we're gonna go over fry techniques and then doing a long-time favorite burger of mine that I make for everybody. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't yet, hit the subscribe button. Also hit the little bell icon to get notified when we come out with new videos. And we'll see you in the next cooking video. Ciao. Should I do this so? So? No. A little bit of Panko. Shayna's asking me how I like her hair. In my face. Alright, so I'll have the recipe. Not the recipe. Yeah. No, ingredient list. These are a pain in the butt to open. Side stick and cheese rips.